Hello friends, today we are going to see the diseases of coconut and their management. In coconut, there are two most important diseases, that is bud rot of coconut and root wilt of coconut. Bud rot of coconut caused due to Phytophthora palmivora. This is one of the fungal pathogen. Now we will see the symptoms of this bud rot of coconut. This disease causes severe infection on young palms, yellowish green discoloration of the heart leaf or crown leaf. These are some particular marks of identification for bud rot of coconut. Similarly, it also infects on basal tissues. The basal tissues of the leaf rot quickly and can be easily separated from the crown. And spindle withers and dropping of these infected leaves occurs in case of severe infection. In older leaves, development of irregular water soaked spots with sunken spots. These are some characteristic symptoms of this bud rot of coconut. The leaves and sheath in the central spindle fall off, leaving an outer wall of green leaves. So these are the characteristic symptoms of this bud rot of coconut. Primary infection of this bud rot of coconut is by dormant mycelium or oospore or chlamydospore carried over summer months on the host debris. This serves as a primary source of infection, and secondary source of infection is by sporangia with numerous zoospore which spread rapidly in rainwater, or sporangia spread through wind and insects. These are responsible for secondary source of infection. Now for managing this bud rot of coconut, we have to cut and burn the badly affected plant parts that showing the symptoms of this bud rot. If the disease is detected early, remove the infected portion and protect the Bordeaux paste on that portion. That means we have to prepare Bordeaux paste, that is 1 kg copper sulfate, 1 kg lime in 10 liters of water. Such Bordeaux paste should be pasted on the cutted ends of the pruned part of coconut tree so that any foreign pathogen will not enter into the plant system, and we will avoid the infection of any another pathogen. Similarly, we can also control this disease by spraying with copper fungicide like Bordeaux mixture, copper oxychloride, copper hydroxide. These are some fungicides were recommended for management of this bud rot of coconut. Similarly, there is another one most important point. If we keep a mixture of copper sulfate plus sodium chloride in the ratio of 1:3 portion in cloth bags, and it should be kept into the crown or above the bud, it will protect this bud from Phytophthora infection. The next most important disease of coconut is root wilt disease. In root wilt, all the coconut plant should be died due to the infection of this root wilt, and its causal organism is Mycoplasma like organism. You can see the symptoms of this disease in standing coconut crop. It shows characteristic symptoms of conspicuous bending of middle and outer whorls of leaves, flaccidity, yellowing and necrosis of leaflets. These are some particular marks of identification of this disease. In the diseased zone, over 20% of affected palms succumb to leaf rot disease, and rendering deterioration of such palms faster than normal one. Then the most important character of this disease is abnormal shading of buttons and immature nuts, poor setting of nuts, inferior quality of nuts, lack of ability to produce female flowers, and a degenerated root system are most prominent symptoms of this root wilt of coconut caused due to Mycoplasma like organism. In diseased palms, drying up of the palms and necrosis of spikelets from the tip downwards are another symptom of this root wilt disease. Most of the pollens are sterile, or if they present, they are in low viability condition. The nuts in the diseased palms have thinner husk and the fibers are thin and weak. So there is an inferior quality of nut produced after infection of this disease. Now the most important point comes, that is how to manage this root wilt disease. For management of this root wilt, we have to spray with monocrotophos 0.05 ml per liter or endosulfan 1 ml per liter. Then apply balanced doses of fertilizers, that is 1 kg urea, 1.7 kg superphosphate, 1.7 kg muriate of potash and 3 kg of magnesium sulfate per palm per year in 2 split doses. Insecticidal spray are recommended only for controlling the insect vectors that are responsible for movement of this phytoplasma like organism or mycoplasma like organism. So we have to control such sucking pest so that we can avoid primary infection. Similarly, we can use green manure crops like Pereria fascioles in the basin and incorporate at the time of fertilizer application. It is recommended to manage this disease. Similarly, control the leaf rot disease by spraying with 1% Bordeaux mixture or 0.3% copper oxychloride, which is found effective for management of this root wilt of coconut.